Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to have your Facebook, Twitch and YouTube chat in OBS all in one specific place with no fees. It's so easy to do. So let's get straight into it. So guys, this app is in the Windows Store. It's called Widget. What you do, you can download it and apply it to your OBS, and it puts, as you can see here, all your chats in one place on your OBS, but also it gives you an option to highlight certain chats on your screen as well. So I'm going to show you how to do it. What you're going to do is head into the link and download this program, install it, and then we'll go from there. So guys, once it's loaded up, you're going to want to head over and open the program. This is what the program looks like. You're going to want to sign in with a Google account of any sort, so it could be a YouTube account. I recommend using that. I'm using just one I made up in my own name, just so I can use any others. And what you can do is you can change the styles here of the message and when it pops up and how you want to see it. Okay. So for instance, we'll just go classic for a minute, just so we can change it and see it later. If you go info over here, you can see how to set it in OBS, but I'll go through that with you in just a second, and you can see how else the app uses for this. So that's some very good information, quite easy to sort out. So guys, once you go live, you want to go on and head over to your live studios, and you want to copy the URLs from here and from here and paste them in here. At the moment, the connection to Facebook is not working at the moment, simply because there's an issue with the Facebook server side, and it is going to be fixed very soon. Once you do that, press connect, and it should start looking for chats. Okay, so what you're going to do now is minimize this, minimize these, and we go back to OBS. So on the right hand side now, we should see our chat. So if I comment some stuff on my phone, so guys, this is the app, and as you can see the multiple comments and where they're coming from. You can have this minimized. I would advise it to be minimized. I don't think it works not minimized in the bottom of here. And what you can see is docked on the right hand side. You can see all the chats and where they come from. Once you select, it'll pop up right here. So you can select that, and it says select. You can select whatever comment you would like. But yeah, that's how it works, guys. It's very simple once it's getting done. You will have to copy and paste the links in every single time, but all the other bits like the dock and the web browser will always stay. Alright guys, so if there's anything else I can help with, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. Take care guys. Peace.